In a world where everyone seems to be jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon, I found a way to make consistent daily income on Binance without any initial investment. Here's how you can do the same. A little about me. Like many people, I started my journey in the world of crypto with limited knowledge and a small budget. But I quickly realized that Binance, one of the largest and most trusted crypto exchanges in the world, offers more than just trading opportunities. Through a combination of smart strategies, dedication, and taking advantage of the opportunities Binance offers, I found a way to make 25.57 every single day. One of the easiest ways to make money on Binance with no investment is through Binance Earn. Binance Earn allows you to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings by participating in products like flexible savings, locked savings, and staking. Binance has an amazing referral program where you can earn commissions by referring friends to the platform. Binance Launchpool is a great way to earn new tokens by staking BNB, BUSD, or other qualifying tokens, sometimes with zero investment needed. For those who are a bit more adventurous and have some risk tolerance, Binance futures and margin trading can potentially amplify your earnings. Did you know that you can earn money without any investment through Binance P2P? Making a daily income on Binance is not about luck. It's about staying consistent and informed. By continuously educating yourself about the latest features and market trends, you can ensure that your earnings continue to grow. Conclusion. So there you have it, my secret to making 25.57 daily on Binance without investing any money up front.